The Panzerhaubitze 2000, often shortened to PZH 2000, is one of the most advanced self-propelled howitzers in the world. And in Ukraine's war against Russia, it has quietly become one of Kyiv's sharpest long-range tools. It doesn't get the same media spotlight as HIMARS or drones. But on the artillery front line, the PZH 2000 has changed how Ukrainian forces can hit back, farther, faster, and with brutal precision. When Germany and the Netherlands began sending Panzerhaubitze 2000 systems to Ukraine, they weren't just donating another gun. They were handing over a high-tech artillery platform designed for modern, fast-paced warfare. The PZH 2000 is a tracked armored vehicle mounting a 155mm L/52 howitzer. In simple terms, that long barrel and sophisticated fire control system let it shoot farther than most Soviet-era guns, and do it with impressive accuracy. With standard rounds, it reaches well over 30 kilometers. With specialized munitions, it can push past 40 kilometers and beyond. That extra distance matters in Ukraine, where both sides rely heavily on artillery and counter-battery duels. For Ukrainian crews used to older Tu-S1 or Tu-S3 systems, climbing into a PZH 2000 feels like stepping into the future. Digital fire control, automated loading, and better crew protection all combine to shorten the time between target spotted and rounds fired. And that's often the difference between neutralizing a Russian battery and eating its shells. On the ground, Ukraine uses the PZH 2000 in a few key ways. Counter-battery fire. One of its biggest jobs is hunting Russian artillery. Ukrainian drones and radar spot Russian guns. Coordinates are fed to the PZH 2000, which can quickly fire accurate salvos and then reposition before Russian counterfire arrives. Deep strikes. Thanks to its long range, PZH 2000 crews can hit Russian ammunition depots, command posts, and staging areas well behind the front line. That's essential for disrupting offensives and strangling logistics. Support for offensives. During Ukrainian pushes in places like Kherson and the Donbass, the PZH 2000 has been used to hammer fortified positions, soften lines, and provide fire support while infantry and armor move in. One of the PZH 2000's key features is its ability to fire multiple rounds simultaneous impact, MRSI. Several shells are fired on different trajectories, so they land almost at the same time. That kind of sudden, concentrated hit makes it far harder for Russian troops to take cover or escape. Ukraine still fields plenty of older Soviet-designed artillery. But the Panzerhaubitze 2000 brings a different level of performance. Rate of fire. Under ideal conditions, it can fire up to 10 to 12 rounds per minute in a burst. Even in sustained fire, its automated loading gives it an edge over manual systems. Accuracy. Modern optics, navigation, and fire control mean fewer wasted shells and more hits on actual targets. Critical when ammunition supply is tight. Crew protection. The vehicle is well armored and fully enclosed, making it safer against shrapnel, small arms, and nearby strikes than towed guns or lightly protected platforms. Shoot and scoot. Digital systems shorten setup time. It can arrive, fire, and move quickly, which is vital in a war where both sides use counter-battery radars. In practical terms, that means Ukrainian gunners can do more damage with fewer guns and fewer shells, and stay alive longer while doing it. Of course, it's not all upside. The PZH-2000 is a complex machine. Ukrainian crews had to be trained abroad, and maintaining such an advanced vehicle under combat conditions is challenging. It needs spare parts, specialized maintenance, and careful management to avoid overuse and overheating, especially when the temptation is to fire as much as possible. Reports from the field have mentioned that early on, some systems were pushed hard and needed repairs sooner than ideal. Over time, Ukraine and its partners have adjusted tactics and logistics to keep these valuable assets in the fight without burning them out. Beyond its technical capabilities, the Panzerhaubitze 2000 has become a symbol of Western commitment to Ukraine and a preview of how Ukraine's military is evolving. Using high-end NATO-standard artillery forces, a shift toward more networked, data-driven targeting. Greater emphasis on precision over pure volume of fire. Closer coordination between drones, radars, and artillery units. In other words, the PZH-2000 isn't just helping Ukraine win today's battles, it's nudging its armed forces toward a more modern, integrated way of fighting. In the brutal artillery slugfest of the Ukraine-Russia war, the Panzerhaubitze 2000 stands out as a quiet overachiever. It strikes farther, faster, and smarter than most of what Russia puts on the field. And every time its long barrel thunders, it reminds Moscow that Ukraine isn't fighting this war alone. For more military technology insights, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, this is Truman, signing off. Stay informed and stay safe.